Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fitness Feast. Today we're making a mouth-watering homemade chicken sandwich that's perfect for lunch, dinner, or even a hearty snack. This recipe is simple, delicious, and packed with flavor. Ready to dig in? Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for our chicken sandwich. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, salt and pepper, to taste 1 egg, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, panko or regular 2 tablespoons of olive oil for frying 4 whole wheat sandwich buns, or your choice of bread, 1 cup of lettuce leaves, 1 tomato, sliced 4 slices of cheese, cheddar, Swiss, or your favorite 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and pickles, optional for garnish. Let's start by prepping our chicken. First, we need to pound the chicken breasts to an even thickness. This ensures they cook evenly and stay juicy. Once your chicken is pounded, let's get our breading station ready. In 1 bowl, mix the flour with paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. In another bowl, whisk the egg. And in a third bowl, place the breadcrumbs. Dredge each chicken breast in the flour mixture, then dip it in the egg and finally coat it with breadcrumbs. Make sure to press the breadcrumbs in so they stick well. Heat the olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the breaded chicken breasts. Cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side or until golden brown and cooked through. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. While the chicken is cooking, let's prepare our sandwich spread. Mix together the mayonnaise and Dijon mustard in a small bowl. This will add a nice tangy flavor to our sandwich. Now, toast your sandwich buns lightly to give them a bit of crunch. You can do this in a toaster or in a dry skillet over medium heat. Once the chicken is done, let it rest for a few minutes before slicing. Time to assemble our sandwich. Start with the bottom bun, spread a generous layer of the mayo mustard mixture, and then add the lettuce. Place a slice of cheese on top of the lettuce, followed by the crispy chicken breast. Add tomato slices and pickles if you like, and then top it all off with the other half of the bun. And there you have it, a delicious homemade chicken sandwich that's crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and packed with flavor. That's so good. The crispy chicken combined with the creamy spread and fresh veggies is just perfect. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tasty and easy recipes. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Happy cooking, and I'll see you next time.